Okay, so let's start it. So today I'm gonna be covering how I got half the day on Thursday 7 May 2026, which was a shot over here for about 100 points. So first things first, as you can see on my old videos, I'm posting 9 a.m. videos, which is like from 2025 when I used to trade 9 a.m. or I still do, but it's just like my old videos I still have them, so I'm gonna post them one by one. Have posted around, I don't know, like 8 videos now, but there's still like a lot of content I can post. So like all of this, then all of this. So yeah, like all of these folders. This is all 9M stuff, right? So I'm gonna post this, but I'm gonna be posting them every week, one video a week. So yeah, but this week I think the shot I took was more important than the 9M video, so we're gonna cover that first, right? Okay, so first thing first, let me just show you guys the execution of the trade. So it was a nice top tick over here, sell M5, and it's MACTP top tick half the day on all time highs. I closed early on like 100 points, and then we just kept dumping. So yeah, with that, let's jump in how I caught this short. Let's go overall, okay? So if you look at NQ overall, we took out some important lows in April, yeah, in the start of April, like end of March. We took out these equal lows, and then we had so much. Where is it? Okay, and then we had so much this engineering liquidity that we reversed, and we took all of them. Like, look at this displacement from our, I don't know, 4,000 points. Okay, never mind, 6,000. So like this, when we are expanding like this, I usually don't like fading the high time frame institutional order flow. Time when we are expanding like this, like there's no retracements, right? Barely any retracement. Look, this gap is open, this is open, this gap is open, this is open. So we're just expanding, right? Usually when we have expansions like this, don't try to be bearish in these market conditions, because we're going for something big, probably 30k. Maybe after we hit it, we can reverse lower. Not like this, like something like this, you know? So yeah. So on the daily, if you look for this week, there's nothing much. So we just go on the 4 hour. As you can see, Monday we open low, basic power of 3 knowledge in this order block. What does that tell you? Market is bullish. We have our retracement for the week. What's the next goal? Just keep expanding higher. Okay, perfect. Monday expanded, Tuesday expanded, Wednesday expanded higher. And then it was time for Thursday. Thursday, if you look on the hourly, we open and we start to grind higher. We didn't expand higher, we grind higher. Do I mean by grind and expansion? So look over here. Monday when we formed the low of the week, we expanded higher. Look, displacement. But when Thursday opened, we grinded higher, leaving large wicks and small bodies. Like, so when we grind up, I saw at 6 a.m. we came lower in this order block, 1 hour. That's enough confirmation, that's it. We tap in it at 6 a.m. and then we start to range over here, chop, chop, chop. We had the accumulation lows and accumulation highs. 9:30 open, we cleared our accumulation highs, and we dumped slower, took our accumulation lows, and then we expanded higher. Now, if there's a trader, a random trader, what he's gonna think? A pattern trader. He's gonna see, oh, okay, we open, we low, we expanded higher, we retrace, and then we expand higher. So what's the market's gonna do? It's gonna retrace and it's gonna expand higher. Correct. Why? Because we are at all-time highs. Should be no reversals technically, but there's a thing you missed. So this is what a trader is expecting, a pattern trader. We open low, expand, retrace, expand, retrace, expand. But if you look here closely, there are some things which are telling you it's bearish. First things first, 9:30 open. That was the main reason I took a shot on this day. It's 9:30. 9:30 opened away, and it expanded away from this high. That's some sort of confirmation that markets are trying to go lower, but something is stopping at 9:30. We open high, we did tap in this order block, and then we reversed lower, but these lows stopped it. We formed a bullish SMT, okay, from bullish SMT, and we reversed her. So 9:30 did try to reverse lower, yet it failed because of these lows in SMT, and we expanded higher. Perfect. What's the next key time after 9:30? 10:30. When it's about 10:30, markets have expanded higher. True, it's at all-time highs. There is nothing on the left you can think for a reversal. There's like nothing, because we're at all-time highs, right? What you can do to catch reversals on all-time highs is just use Fibonacci's. So there's this fib called something I made. It's not called anything. So I had my fibs on. Basically, you take it from previous day's major leg to the current half the day leg. So this was the previous day's major leg, and current day half the day was this until near KM session started. So this would have been the half the day. Perfect. We take it out, and the levels are projected, right? For bullish reversals, you can expect it here, but we don't look at this level because we are bearish. So we only look at the blue levels. Perfect. I'm expecting price to tap there at 10:30 and then reverse lower, because after 9:30 there's only one key time left. Perfect. Yet it tapped there at 10:55. Still it's between 10:30 and 11, which is important for us, because if it would be 11 then I wouldn't take this trade, but until it's in 10 a.m. candle I take it. I saw we tapped there, like just ticked there. If you were to shot here, 0.2 points of drawdown, I could have done something like this, which is a lot risky, but it does pay. 10 point stop, target anything, you see, 33. But I like to wait for confirmation. So as soon as we tap there, where's the liquidity? Look at all of these lows. What is this trend line? Bullshit. What is this trend line? What is this trend line? Bullshit, right? So tap there once, twice, three, four times. Four times touching trend line, expand her. Every retail would be in long from here, from the touches in on the trend line, from here, and yeah. So if retails are longing here, where would they place their stop loss? Below this low, below this, some below this, some below these, and the major stop losses would be below the Asia low, because it's a projected low for them. But for us, it's a liquidity, right? We build up, we expand higher, we hit a level, we reverse lower. So simple. So after we expanded higher, everyone was thinking, yeah, we're gonna retrace lower after this large expansion into EQ or OTE. Bullshit. Everything is bullshit, bro. Okay, we're gonna retrace back into this EQ or OTE, and then we're gonna reverse higher. So they are holding their positions, thinking we can reach to 2029K, or maybe, I don't know, right? Anything. But there's something they missed. Liquidity. The main topic. What is this? Liquidity. As soon as we touch it, that's enough. We go on the 1 minute. I went on the 1 minute. I waited a bit. Like, I waited for 11 a.m. to open. Once I saw we open up inside of this fair value gap. I don't trade fair value gaps, but there was like this high, you can say. We take out this high. We open in this reclaimed high, and we expanded lower. Once we like came here, I just shot it about here. My stop goes above this, and my TP goes for 100 points, because that's my daily target. And bang. Yeah, this was the trade I took. Exactly this. If I show you the execution again. So my entry is there, and my TP got hit after we took out this low over here. So the thing is, we edged my TP over here, right? And we barely hit EQ, and we came higher. Now usually the people that are in shorts here, they're gonna think we might reverse higher, because we tapped over here in a 15-minute fair value gap, and we had a SMT. So it was a nice think for reversal, but the high time frame institutional autoflow switched to bearish. So I holded the short, it hit TP. I could have targeted the main major liquidity. It would have given me 285 points, but I was happy with 100 points. So yeah, as soon as we hit my TP, we just kept dumping straight and ended up taking out the major lows, which was our target. So pretty much it was very simple, and this is how I caught high of the day on Thursday. If you have any questions, you can DM me anytime or ask them in the comments. And this is my free Discord, which you can join uh, to maybe learn. I'm probably gonna make something soon. So yeah, and yeah, that will be it. See you guys. Take care. Peace.